At Millennium Sounds, we've built our reputation as a leader in high-end home and commercial audio. That's why we partner with Ambisonic Systems. This is the 6.5 HD2 all-weather loudspeaker. Crafted in the USA, these speakers are a masterclass in versatile, modular design. Inside this petite, weatherized cabinet is a proprietary magnetic planar driver and a high-performance Italian woofer. Don't let the size fool you. Whether they're in your garden or on your wall, these produce the power of an audiophile tower. In fact, if you really want to push it, they can effortlessly produce enough sound to drown out a helicopter taking off. When you're ready for serious performance, you need the right expertise. Come see us at one of our showrooms and experience Ambisonic and Millennium Sounds for yourself.